Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, kind of a short adventure, we've stopped off in Joliet, Illinois to see the site of a very famous fast food franchise. The very first of these franchises, this very first business of this franchise, Dairy Queen, was here and opened here in Joliet. So we're just going to go and check it out. Corner of Ohio, Ottawa, Chicago Street. And there in that building there, that is where the very first Dairy Queen was. All right, here it is. Original Dairy Queen store established in 1940. This building was erected circa 1895. This was the location of this building. Original Dairy Queen store. There's this marker on the ground. It says, on this site and in this building erected circa 1895, the world's first Dairy Queen store opened on June 22nd, 1940. Soft serve ice cream was unknown before its invention in Kankakee, Illinois in 1938 by John Fremont Grandpa McCulloch and his son Alex McCulloch. They convinced friend and customer Sherwood D. Noble to offer the product in his ice cream store in Kankakee. The new treat was extremely popular, and Noble and the McCullochs went on to open the first Dairy Queen store right here. Since that humble beginning in 1940, the Dairy Queen system has grown to more than 5,900 locations in the United States, Canada, and 17 additional countries around the world. This marker was put here in May 2011. The sign is right there. There's the storefront, the very first Dairy Queen. And since we went to the first Dairy Queen, where the site of the first Dairy Queen was, it's not there, and of course there's no Dairy Queen there anymore, but I came to the nearest Dairy Queen I can find to get a small blizzard. Yummy. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV Land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube and just making a donation or becoming a member at either one of those places. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.